The Rhaetian, nicknamed the State Railway of Graubünden, the largest Swiss canton, operates all of its meter gauge network. Chur, the cantonal capital and terminus of the federal standard gauge, is where most visitors first meet the RhB. Cars from the MOB's Golden Mountain Pullman, bought long ago by the RhB. Chur, alles aussteigen, all change. Many first-time visitors to the winter sports resort of Arosa must be very surprised to be directed to a train in the street outside Chur station. Elsewhere in Europe, war had begun by December 1914, when the Chur-Arosa Company opened its new line, electrified at 2000 volts DC. Resembling a tram stop, Chur Stadt is very convenient for the town centre. The Plessur River, whose valley this line follows for much of the way. The train sign below means this signal is not for road traffic. That's a track inspection quad bike being loaded. It's a non-passenger stop at Chur-Sant depot. In 1997, the electrical system of the Arosa line was converted to the 11,000 volts low-frequency AC of the main RhB network, allowing Chur-Sant depot to be closed. But one does wonder what safety precautions are needed for external work on town buildings so close to such high tension. Untersax loop has no station. Until now I've had no time to mention that the Chur-Arosa line was absorbed by the RhB in 1942. Lüener Castile, and the quad bike is unloaded. It will need good brakes for a safe inspection run back down the 1 in 17 to Chur-Sant. The line threads no less than 22 tunnels in the 5.5 miles from Chur-Sant to the next station, St. Peter-Molyneux. Expensive proposals to replace the street running section have so far been unable to be funded. Rock hereabouts is a soft schist. The side streams eat deeply into it. Molyneux is the village below. The village of Peist is high above us. First glimpses of the largest bridge on this line, Langvis Viaduct. The world's first major rail bridge in reinforced concrete has a main span of 110 yards. Langvis Station. We crossed 200 feet above the Plessur River. A word on motive power. Most of the 670 horsepower motor coaches were built in 1957 or 8. These were withdrawn at the 1997 power conversion. 2 built in 1973 were converted to driving trailers for push-pull operations. One was transferred to the RHB's freight-only Mesocco-Bellinzona line for use as a locomotive. Sega siding and concrete mixing plant. The entry to Arosa is up a 300-yard tunnel. Arosa seems to be ringed by mountains. As one explores the resort, there's no sign of the valley by which the train reached it.
Alles aussteigen. All change.